Alright, this is the nav station. This is where we've got our map. We've got our logbook. We've got our little clock here. And that's our GPS. This is our position on the GPS. This is the coordinates right here. I'm about to log those coordinates into this book right here. Calculate the time. And then you can see we've been marking it. This is where we started up here. And then we mark our positions every few hours to make sure we're on this line right here. This line that leads all the way down here to Cuba. So today we have done 7:30, 11. No, that was yesterday. 1700 last night. That was last night. That was this morning. And I'm about to plot this new one. Hopefully we'll be right in this area. So that's how far we are from Cuba, right there. We're pretty much smack dab in the middle of the Gulf. Alright, this is the nerdy stuff, I know, but it's kind of cool and interesting. It may save our lives. Peace!